let's get going here. Let's pull up the dashboard and manager. Make sure we are currently live. All right, so today doing some just things I normally do on, well, maybe not normally, but sometimes do on Sunday. Just going through some community things, maybe some issues on my website, maybe some blogging. I do want to check out Will McCougan's new uh, got that morning voice going. Uh, New textual library. Um, I saw in there he had some examples built, so I do want to check that out at some point. Um, I noticed I listened back. I noticed my mic was a bit low. I'm gonna pull up my OBS properties, and we're gonna look at filters. I noticed that I'm still pretty low even today. I don't know if it helps. It helps a little bit if I get up on it. Maybe that's what I need to do. Um, so I'm going to give it just a little bit of gain and just watch OBS and see if that helps it at all. See if we get right up close to the yellow mark. I used to have a compressor on here. We can transition over. I might leave this on today and see how it works for me. I wonder what mic. Because I have multiple, like, laptop mic and all that kind of stuff. I got see, we should have crisp running too. We do have crisp running. I don't know if that's going to show up as okay. How in OBS do we see properties? Device. Okay, here we go. I'm going to switch over to. So if we leave it on default, no, because Windows has done some weird things to me. We're going to go, so now we should be using crisp mic, and it appears to be a little bit lower yet. I don't know if giving it this much gain is a good idea or not. We're going to try it for today. I'm going to keep bumping it up just a little bit until we get, I don't want us to like peak out or anything like that. I don't even remember where I used to have these set. I did some just like video recordings for quite a while that weren't public, but I had this dialed in really nice for the mic I had. Okay, one thing I wanted to play with, let's do vertical split, and then I think it was Yeah. Music bin TC uh, connect. Man, I cannot type this morning. Connect Waylon Walker. And then I can pull it. Get our screens all laid out here. And pull this over. I kind of try doing something like this, and then a vertical split. I'll have this vertical split here. Come right down to the top there. So now we should have chat. If I do commands. Does this work? I can't click links there. Okay, so it does. I'm going to take another look at. I'm going to try to play with chat real quick. I've added some more commands recently. Let's do new message. Hey, Waylon. What is Gadro? Question. How picky are you, Nightbot? I did a capital. We logged into. Okay. And over in Nightbot, we can share this. How do I edit things? It's because I'm in like /t login. Okay. Commands, custom. It kicks me out. I don't know what it's man. Really we're gonna change it to that. Then we're gonna back to chat and do get drill. Alias is not set the command. Okay. I think we gotta restart or something. It's okay. All right, so today let's take a look at there's a couple of things we can show from last time we did digital gardening stream. We did actually I don't have it published, so it's upcoming streams. And then here we can see check this out. Oh, we have a couple images still marked as huge. That's something we can take care of today. Okay. And then we'll figure out why this one's not getting picked up. But so last time we automated going from, let's look at one of these. This one should do it. So if we scroll down here, this is now a video instead of a GIF. Saves huge network bandwidth on that. So let's go up. Okay. This might be our to-do list for today. So let's fix last one here. Big images. So we did those. Let's do the other thing I saw I had some AMP issues coming in this morning. We did crush about half of them. And this is disallowed attribute. I thought this was going to be like a mixed bag. This one, nope, not this one. Okay, go back. Maybe it was this one. Here we go. Only two left. We have crushed this AMP issue. Let's just double check. So these two, see details. Nobody's failed. We can just like manually check these guys. Hash development equals 1. And then do a little F12. Okay, so this one has an error. Not. Okay. I wonder if we broke all of our pages adding this. Oh. I pushed up a fix for that last night, I thought. Let's look at G status. We're ahead by a commit. G log. Okay, maybe we didn't save. I'm going to go to templates, AMP HTML. And in here we have an AMP message. We should be kicking this out. Why is this? It's probably this p tag here. Um, did we get a build failure? Let's go to actions. No. G diff. No. Quit. Yeah, close that quick fix. Let's do G diff percent. Nothing. Let's see here. I'm gonna hope that goes away in like the next deploy or something. So it's showing up everywhere. That let's grab this one. Hash development equals 1 F12. Same thing with the p tag. I just want to see in here like I gotta remember where templates even go. Template amp. Um, yeah. I don't know if that's like a cache or what that is. You know what we can do before we get started for today. Say version 12. Bust cache and build. Okay. What did you build for me?
I was trying to make a heart.
Oh, this has a lot of glue on it. You was trying to make a heart?
Yes, but
Cool. You colorful blob. I love colorful blobs.
hoping for a colorful blob.
Oh, yeah, but it looks beautiful.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Okay. Let's push. All right. We have a couple items on the to-do list. Fix amp issues as well. So I'm gonna go back to amp. So these went way down. See details. Oh, only one failed, so that's fine. I hope it's not that stupid p tag. F12, and then um, hash develop equals 1 hash. Okay. We are clean. At least it's showing clean. Says you should show here. No. Question. So this one seems just fine with that broken background tag. Oh, because I'm not hash develop equals 1. Development. You know, one thing we didn't do today. Yep, it is that one that it's not happy with. Which it's just fine with here. Did we spell development right? Yeah, I think so. Let's go back to um, although this one that failed is the one. There we go. There we go. It was showing develop over here, still not development. Um, okay, so we have that p tag, and then we have um, okay. Let's pull this one up locally. Okay, so this I can get rid of now. We have one line links up and running. DF single quote D7J. I usually use hard wraps, but apparently this article did not. Okay. So what's the other thing it's yelling at? The attribute source may not appear in tag A. The attribute margin. So this Kedro iris example. Can I search over? Can you let me search the page? There we go. Iris. There, this one. Oh. Okay. At the end, we also do this. We don't need to. Whoops. D7J. I didn't undo. Let's go to bottom. Let's do DF single quote, F single quote, D double D, DG, DJ, just to make sure. There we go. So we are getting some syntax highlighting, I bet. There you go. Like that's where it's like super not happy with us. All right, so we have, what is it not happy about with the console? Attribute auto. Okay. Oh, check this. Never even saw this. See if this helps. I don't think I don't need these. Those can go away. Let's commit. We can do an only scroll through this. So we fixed the quotes. But didn't we also fix the okay, so this guy is now one line. Okay. We'll push that. Let's go back to AMP. All right, I think probably gonna let AMP kind of go for a couple more days, trying to decide what's fixed and what isn't. Even though we went like I don't this stupid P tag got us. A colorful snuggly mask.
Snorkeling.
Oh, snorkeling mask. I love it. We put it on the colorful blob. It fits the colorful blob. Oh, it has a little of the colorfulness on the back. There we go. There we go. That looks pretty sweet.
Snorkeling to the colorful rock.
He's going to the colorful rock, huh?
The rock in the ocean.
Okay. Okay, did our action? Yeah, we're still. Oh no, we did a bus cache and build. Hard refresh. Successful. Okay, AMP. Validate this for me. checking out our activity feed here. We got a couple extra follows over the past day. We've got Shiva, Christy C92, Brendo Speaks. Thank you everybody following within the last day. We are here 19 followers. We are one away from breaking into 20. Thanks everyone for the support. I don't think I'm going to spend much more time in AMP. Iframes is something we could look at. What are the tags it's not happy about here? I feel like this is like issues with our markdown parser. Not going. Yeah, like this shouldn't be a tag. So that is something at some point I'll take a look at. One thing today I did want to take a look at. I want to get this 3-minute build back down to 1-ish. And I think so. It came in after some changes. So I can't validate. I probably could, but I haven't validated if our new plugins are causing it to be slow. I suspect it's because they're not using a cache, and I think we could use a cache anyways. So Markata to Tamil, gift MP4. So this has no cache. So what we want to look at is these two. Okay, we just got the one hook implementation. Thinking through here. Let's look at a Clouk plugin that okay. So that one could also use a cache plugin index cache. Okay, so none of these none of my custom plugins. Okay, so we have it here. So what we do is we initialize the cache, indent everything. And then before, let's set no wrap. There we go. Set no wrap. There we go. That looks much better. We had it on for one article, and that was it. So the first thing we need to do is make a key. So we're going to, I think I'm going to change that other one. We're going to do dunder file. Post render. Yep. And then content. Here, let's make this a little bigger. What else are we looking at? Um, so we use the content for sure to find things. Um, Here, let's close session. Oh, damn. VBO, WO. There we go. Okay, get our format back. Um, oh, all right, now LSP is happy. So let's do. So what we're looking for here is everything this references. And I'm wondering, like, how can I make it to automatically bust the cache if the contents of this file change? It's kind of an interesting thought here. Um, let's do an if name equals main, and then what are we gonna do? F equals. I can't remember. I don't even know if this is like absolute or relative. So let's Python plugins if to mp4 dot py. Oh, I want Python. And then we'll do run plugins if to mp4. Then we get an F. F is the full file. So if we do path, do we have path lib? Yep. Path F. Nice. So if we were to change this file, it would bust our cache. This is sweet. So we're gonna do path under file dot read text path. I suspected LSP wasn't kicking in. From path lib import capital P path save exit IPython run isort dot. Okay, we just fixed a bunch of paths. Apparently, I've been lazy on them. So if we go down here, we're going to cache based on file name, contents of plugin name, contents of the plugin, the what do you call it? The lifecycle method that we're on, the contents of the article, which is like an already hashed version of article.html. Like if the content hash changes, the article.html changes anyways. Um, okay. So what we can do, let's go back over to this guy. It's a So we get the HTML out of the cache, and then we say if HTML from cache is none, then do 9j, 9j, else. Um, oh, and I think here I do. Um, so I usually pull this out. We do HTML equals soup dot printify HTML. And then in our else block, we'll say HTML equals HTML from cache. Um, I don't like how nesty this is. This is getting pretty deep for me. What are we doing? 1, 2, 3, 4 tab stops. That's probably as far as like it's already getting uncomfortable. If it was any further, I would change that. Where'd our key go? Our key ended up inside. We don't want that. Is it 5? 4? D4J. D5J. Um, indent 5J. Okay. Okay. Let's roll with this. Add cache to we do a control R hash plugin. Let's roll with it. This is my own project. There's no nice commit message here. We're gonna push it. We'll just let GitHub Actions take it for us. There we go. If we screwed up, it'll tell us. Do it live. Why did that not update? Do I have 2? There. Okay. Next plugin. Plugins. This one probably takes like 0 effort. I don't even know if I want to cache things that aren't actually doing work. This is just flattening the slug. Actually, I want to rename that one anyways, just like a flat slug. Index. So this one is doing some heavier work. It's creating all my cards for me. Let's look for hook implementation. This is interesting. I put the hook implementation right at the top. What's create page look like? I don't know if I can cache this because I think it's actually writing the page. Because it's a save hook. I don't think I can cache a save hook. Next one. Related. That one we need to look at. It's not doing things it's expected to do. CO amp, cache, plugins, custom SEO. Let's look for cache. Plugins. Publish amp. Okay. So this is one where we have two hooks, a save hook and a render hook. So the save hook we're not going to cache again. Let's go back to the gift MP4. We're going to grab, this is the example. And then go back, paste, indent 5J. Actually, we need this within the article. So D5J, paste. Okay. So we're going to cache on file path. This is now a render. And then we want to grab these things. df equals. df equals. There you go. I got some messages rolling in. Okay. Nothing important for now. We'll clear. My wife just had surgery this week. One thing I do need to do is set our medicine schedule for the day. So we did 2:30 on that one. And then this one is a 12:30. Okay. All right, caching. Let's go back to previous with cache is cache. And then outdent 16J. Go back. So we make the cache. We get it from the key. Um, we'll call this amp HTML from cache. Cache.get key. Um, and then we'll do a df space, and then down here equals amp HTML, and then this one will be amp HTML 5J. If amp HTML from cache is none, do that. Else, amp HTML equals amp HTML from cache. Let's go back and check. Okay. Successfully built on that last one. Let's walk through this once more time. So we're going to open a cache. We're going to iterate over articles and apply. I'll rename this amp template. We're going to make a key based on file contents render content hash. So this file will specify that we're doing the publish amp plugin. So that will give us like this plugin specific cache key, and then we want to add everything from the article that we touch into the key, which we did. Okay. Let's save this, and then we'll do a commit. What are we doing here? Implement cache for it's our hash. Shit. Okay. Then let's look at our plugins. Cache. Okay. This one is already using a cache. Okay. So we'll do a couple of builds real quick and see what kind of build performance we get. Hopefully, I'm hoping to get back in the 1 minute kind of time frame that we were at before we added a bunch of new plugins. The other thing, this just came to me too. Um, okay, so this one isn't doing much in the background. We could definitely, like I think one of the biggest things slowing us down here on a fresh build is all these network requests. Um, okay, we failed here. Here, we should be building locally. Not sure why we're not. Okay, so let's build locally and see if we get the same kind of issue. Um, Crazy. Um, all right, while that runs, maybe we'll take a break and let's do um, let's add a marker here. Um, uh, we're gonna look at text you all. Okay. Okay. So while that's running, let's take a look at uh, Will uh, Will McCougan text you all. I want to try some things. I saw yesterday he has made source textual examples simple.py. Um, so one thing I'm curious of, let's look at rich, which we can get to here. Rich is a sweet CLI building uh, library. How does he runs Python-m rich? Can we pip x run rich? Let's get rid of this. Pip x run rich. I don't think that's going to be the same type of thing. Okay. And create name textual Python equals 3.8. Yes. Coda, not defined. Kinda. So what I want to do is I want to go into textual and I just want to run some of his examples. I know this isn't uh, ready for prime time, so I'm probably not going to start using it, but it's something I'm super excited for. Um, so we're going to do like a python-m textual dot examples simple. Let's see if he's updated the README since last I saw it. Okay, so we can activate text view all. And then we can do, I don't know if he's even, if the version is up. So I'm just going to pip install git plus github link, and then that will install the main branch. Curious here, only has one active branch. Python-m textual. No dunder main and textual dot examples. Sample examples simple. No module named rich.tui. Okay, let's I did not want to edit it. I think I just forked it. Not what I wanted today. Swap this up to the top. And Vim. Simple. Simple.py only. Paste. This is textual. Textual. Python-m. I think we just do Python simple.py. I want, this might be like a, I wonder if I've got to be on like 3.9. Does he have actions running on this at all? No. Um,
Daddy, can we do people?
Can we do paper? Yeah, give me like 20 minutes and then we'll We'll continue paper, okay?
Yeah,
What
but
we lost our progress. Oh no. We're gonna have to redo that scene, aren't we?
I just
Um, Conda deactivate, Conda create. Can we create a 310?
who are you talking to?
So, is that funny? She thinks I'm funny. Okay. Okay. Conda doesn't have 310. Um, we're gonna try running this with 39. Rating environments is so cool. I guess we can quit this and we can activate text evil. Oh, Conda deactivate a text UL. And oh, and it's going to pull up that old session. Edit simple only. A text UL. No module rich. Okay. Pip install textual out of the GitHub repo. Okay. It does not like 3.9 at all. I don't even know what happened. I don't even know what this is. Um, if I roll back to our first issue, um, list stir. So this is, yeah, typing on 3.9 rather than importing a capital L list. You can just like subset list itself. So it has to be Python 3.9. This is actually saying like I couldn't pip. I wonder if it was just like a network blip. We'll see if we can get it in. Can we pip install rich? Why can't we make connection to PyPI? Oh, could not find a version that satisfies requirement. No. Okay. Conda deactivate. Conda create. Create. Let's go back to um, okay. Here's our issue with our last build. Um, okay, in publish amp, we're making a key that goes to um, dunder dunder knit expected stir instance but daytime.date found. Okay, we can fix that. And that came from publish amp. So we'll zoom in. We'll do publish amp. Date. Actually, let's go to. Um, hey, we got a new follow from Headwinds. Thank you, Headwinds. Appreciate every follow we get. And that busted us just over the 20, into the 20s. Glad to have you here. Let's go to Git repos, Markata. We'll zoom into the top and we will look for dunder knit, make hash. So we're making a string, joining the keys. Keys are supposed to be strings, but we don't protect for that. Let's do keys, stir keys equals stir key or key in keys. Stir keys. Okay. Now if we go, let's go back, down, rerun. Oh, we just went to over here. On the side of this build, we've been taking a look at textual. Let's look at can we install rich this time? We can. Okay. I think rich is just not ready. TUI module moved from rich repo. Install textual. Okay. And then we did Python simple.py. And yeah, textual is not going to run for us. can not worry about that for today. Um, let's go back into Markata. Let's do save and commit. Ensure. Uh, these are stir and make hash. We can push this. And then we can go back to um, our run. We can rerun. Look at status. Okay, we're good there. All right. So we cleaned up those issues. Um, we took care of some AMP issues, looking at build times. Another while we're waiting on the builds. This isn't the page I was thinking it was. This is not the page you are looking for. All issues page has big images. Here we go. Image file too large. View affected URLs. Um, what is this image? Okay. See, I've gone away from throwing random images in my articles. Let's see where this is coming from. Journey. Can I do one of these? And then we'll save, do a commit. We're just gonna say ignore big images. Oh, I killed it. I killed it. I think I did a capital X. Okay. What else do we have? Next one. Simple click. Dot JPG. What is it? Is it a GIF? This is my own GIF. Let's see if we can find it. Images.waylandwalker.com. Let's look for simple. Click. There it is. And with our last changed GIF, last week, what we can do, I don't need all this link. I just need uh, copy, paste. Simple click in action, delete, paste. Let's do a save commit, self-host GIF. Close. Go back to here. We're on number 3. Number 3 comes from drumroll building CLI apps in Python. Okay, so this is someone else's GIF. Save image. We'll call it spin demo. Okay. Let's do open up images. We'll do, where's gonna go? Shell. Copy. TC users. Me. Downloads. Spin to static. There's a shell script in here. Not cat. Let's because they have hash mode in them. GIF to, I think it's GIF to MP4. Oh, there's no underscore. So first thing we probably want to do is a git pull, and this might take a while. if we want to self-host this guy, it is in Python CLI. We're looking for a GIF. What page is this in? Building CLI apps in Python. There's supposed to be a GIF here. It's just warehouse something. Okay. Let's di that https colon walker.com. We gotta go images dot slash yeah spin demo dot. I killed it. I killed it though. Oh, I never committed the last one. So now we have a GIF here. Hey, headwinds. Right now I'm just doing some like digital gardening, going through some blog posts and um, working on cleaning up some junk. Um, Nothing like exciting today. One thing I'm trying to do is get my site built within a minute. We were within a minute. We made some plugins and then we crept up in like the 3 to 5 minute range. We definitely shaved some time down. So this one implemented a cache. I want to rerun. And we should, fingers crossed, we should start to see that time go down. See, some of these are getting into like 4 minutes. We might have to do some like multi-processing. Like when we do this bus cache and build, I don't want build times up above 5. That I was on Gatsby. Like one of the biggest reasons I jumped off Gatsby was because it took me 12, 15 minutes to build at one point. And that was not a productive workflow. And so I built my own thing. And my own thing got down under a minute, between like just the action starting up and getting to Netlify. I don't know if I can get it much lower, because my actual like the the build, like once everything's installed and running, was like 20 seconds. And I don't know if I can go, maybe I can go faster than 20, but okay. So this is still, this part is running for a minute 14. Wonder what it took in that last build. We can compare. Let's look at 2.4. I don't know if we're getting any faster on this one. We might have to like start measuring and stuff like that. Today I just tossed in a cache. Yep. So we might, maybe next time we will do some measuring. Let's go upcoming. Measure login performance. Ready to do paper soon?
Ready right now.
You're ready right now? Okay. Let's see. All right. My build's completed. You'll give me a few more. Okay. We'll start closing down. Yeah. Build times are not coming down as fast as I'd like.
See what you're doing.
Okay. Let's see. We got this image here. We need to let's do a get status. It's everywhere. My face is everywhere. Let's cd. Okay, we're in static. Let's do a our GIF to MP4. Tiny, middle, big. We're not gonna run it on everything. We're gonna run it on just the one. Tiny, middle, big. Tiny, middle, big. Tiny, middle, big. A little hand. Look on this one. Do you see? Is there a little hand? Oh, here, this one up here. You can see it live. Oh, I see the little hand. Okay, let's do a little get status again. Get at get commit dash m.
Have a little hand. Okay, I'm ready. Do paper.
GIFs. Okay, let's save up where we're at.
You can save your work
Okay.
so you don't have to lose your progress. You can save it.
Okay.
Save your work.
What other things? We have a lot of messy things here, don't we? Any
Come on, paper.
markdowns? What's
Have a little tiny hand. You have a little tiny hand. Yeah.
There's stuff.
Yeah.
Let's do a GF. Okay, so this one is completely registry. X7J 6 and only Paste. Manage. You're peeking around the corner, aren't you? Get repos with ease. Hmm. Oh, we don't want published. We're gonna do draft D D J df space save is a Python CLI that makes running git commands on
Wait, no.
it CLI that simplifies. Hold on, we're almost there. We're gonna save this one and then we're good. Hold on. I'll check the alarm. Uh,
Daddy, I'm doing a move of
I jump like that.
I like that.
Okay. All right. All right. We're gonna end it here for today and go spend some Sunday time with the kids. Did we push? We should have pushed. Yep. Running. Yeah, it is.